Kung pagsasama-samahin yung kulay, hindi mo na matatanggal yan.
And this is the Play-Doh set.
Hindi mo na pag-ihiwalay yan.
Ooh.
Hindi pa yan, hindi.
Cupcakes. Ferris wheel. Instructions and two last and two more. Okay, in the back, and this one, and this is a Play-Doh set. Yeah, Play-Doh class. Let's open. Wait lang. Wait. Ma! Ma, pabuksan.
Naku, Mon.
Ma, pabuksan. Pabuksan. Ma! Ma! Open! And also available my for playroom. So let's take the Play-Doh set. So this is the present and this is the instructions and this is it. I'm going to open here, and after that I'm going to make a cupcake. So bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Next we have part 2, Play-Doh set. Part 2 later. Bye-bye.